Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a virtual garage sale with Airtable. First things first, you'll need to create a new base in Airtable. Once you've logged into your account, click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This is the beginning of your virtual garage sale, the place where you'll organize and display all your items for sale. Think of it like setting up tables in your driveway, but digitally. Now that we've done that, let's move on to populating our base with data. Click on the first field and name it Item Name. Then, continue adding fields for description, price, and image. Remember, these fields are equivalent to the item tags in a physical garage sale. They provide necessary information to your potential buyers. But what's a garage sale without pictures, right? To add images, click on the Image field. Choose Attachment as the field type, then upload your item photos. This helps us because it gives our buyers a clear vision of what we're selling, just like they would in a physical garage sale. Next up, let's make your items easy to browse. We do this by creating different views. Go to the top left, click on Grid View, and select Gallery. This will display your items in a photo grid, similar to an e-commerce site. The reason we do this is to provide our customers with a user-friendly interface that allows them to easily browse through our items. Now let me explain why this matters. Unlike a physical garage sale, where people can physically browse and pick up items, a virtual garage sale relies heavily on visuals and effective organization. Hence, spending time on this step will pay off in the long run. Finally, let's share our virtual garage sale. Click on the Share button at the top right, then select View Only or Can Edit, depending on your preference. By sharing your Airtable base, you're essentially opening up your garage doors to the public. And there you have it. You've just created your very own virtual garage sale using Airtable. It's a simple, efficient way to declutter your house while making some extra cash. Remember, the key to a successful garage sale, virtual or not, lies in the organization and presentation of your items. Happy selling!